Good afternoon, students. So now, in this topic, we are going to learn about change of state in a matter. So, how the solids can go into liquid states, how liquid can go into gaseous state, or the gaseous state can be converted into liquid state, and so on. So, now, going to the first point, when any solid is heated, it changes into liquid, and when a liquid is heated, it changes into a gas. Okay, जेन्ना आमी solid कितें heat करतली, for example, if you take a wax and if you try to heat, then it will convert into a melted wax, liquid form. Then when you boil the water, it will change into the vapors, that is liquid is changing into the gaseous state. Then when a gas is cooled, see, when you just boil the water, you see that the vapors are emerging out of that container. If you just collect those vapors, then after some time you will see that those vapors are changing again into small water droplets. The vapors are परत आमकां liquid जावन मेळटा. So when a liquid is cooled, then again it changes into solid. These are the different changes in the states of matter. So from one state, the matter can go into the next state. For example, if you take the example of ice, if you heat the ice, it changes into water. Then if water is heated, then it again goes to the steam state, it is a vapor form, and the steam is cooled, then it comes back to the original form, that is water. And now if you keep this water in the refrigerator, it will be converted to the ice state. So here you can see the diagram. First it is solid state. If you hit, if it will go to the liquid state. If you hit again, then it will go to the gaseous state. If you cool the gaseous state, it goes to the liquid state. Okay, that is water vapors. समजा तुम्ही कूल केले जाल्यार लिक्विड स्टेट म्हणजे उदक जाता. उदक परत जर कूल केलें रेफ्रिजरेटराक घालून तेजो आयस जाता. दॅट इज लिक्विड स्टेट कूल्स एंड यू गेट solid state, that is ice. Example, with the example they have shown figures also how there is the conversion of matter from one state to the another. So everything we have discussed. Okay students, now we will be learning some important definitions in this slide. Okay, what is melting, or in the other term, what is fusion? So sometimes the question will be asked, what is fusion? So don't get confused, you can write the same definition as the melting. When you just heat the solid, what happens is these particles, they begin to vibrate, just move here and there with a greater speed and begin to move more freely. In the solids, actually they are very close to each other, but when you hit, they get kinetic energy and they try to move more freely. At a particular temperature, what happens? The solid melts and changes into the liquid. So the process of melting we call as fusion. So either you can say melting or you can say as fusion. The temperature at which solid melts is called as melting point. So now sometimes in the fill in the blanks you may get the question, what is the melting point of ice? So either you will be having the answer in the centigrades or in the Kelvin. So in the centigrades जर असले जाल्यार 0 बरोवपाचे, in the Kelvins असले जाल्यार 273 Kelvins. Now another important term comes here is latent heat of fusion. Now students, we want to convert solid materials into liquid materials, but here we are using some data, म्हणजे अमुक किलो 1 kg 2 kg अशें आमी हांगा मेन्शन केला, स्टँडर्ड घेतला आमी. सो द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू चेंज 1 kg ऑफ सॉलिडाचे आमी कितें करतली टू लिक्वीड. हो फर्स्ट पार्ट जालो डेफिनेशनाचो. एट एटमॉस्फेरीक प्रेशर म्हणजे नॉर्मल प्रेशराचेर at its melting point is called as latent heat of fusion. So students, you can just look here, the beaker is kept along with the thermometer in the thermometer. So you can just take the readings and write down in your notebook. So you will get latent heat of fusion. Okay, now you can see the temperature is up to 0 degrees. So latent heat of fusion to दाखयला. Now after melting, the second point is boiling. Now boiling म्हटले की it comes to the liquid. When you heat up a liquid, in the liquid state what happens? The particles begin to move even the faster than in the solids. किती जाता सॉलिडापेक्षा मातशे ते आणि फास्ट मूव जाता. And at a particular temperature, what happens? These liquid particles, they start changing into the vapors. लिक्विडाचे हळूहळू वाफ जाता. पयलें आसतलें तुमी जेन्ना तुमी उदक काडून गॅसार दवरतले गरम करपाक, स्लोली द वॉटर चेंजीस इंटू द वेपर्स. उदका पासून तुमकां वाफ जी तयार जाता ताका आमी वेपर्स अशें म्हणटा. So now boiling is a bulk phenomenon. What do you mean by bulk phenomenon? जर तुम्ही एक तोप जर उदक दवरलें गॅसाचेर जाल्यार थ्रू आउट फूल तोपातलें उदक गरम जावपाक लागता म्हणून ताका बल्क फिनॉमिनन म्हणटा. ओके, सो वेन अ लिक्वीड बॉयल्स द बल्क ऑफ द लिक्वीड, फूल लिक्विडाचे वेपर्स जाता. हळूहळू कितें जाता, सगळें उदक वेपर्स जावपाक लागता. The temperature at which the liquid starts boiling is called as its boiling point. So now what is the boiling point of water? Students, जर तुम्ही गॅसार जर उदक दवरलें आणि लॅबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर जर घेतलो and try to just record the temperature, you will see that at 100 degrees the water will starts bubbling. Bubbling दिसता न्ही तुमकां? That is boiling. 100, if it is in the centigrades, you write as 100 degrees. If it is in the Kelvin, you write as 373 Kelvins. So why 273 Kelvins? जेन्ना आमी सेंटिग्रेडाचे जर आमकां कॅल्विन करपाक जाय जाल्यार फिक्स हो नंबर तुमी पार्ट करपाचो आसा 273. ओके, 273 एड करप टू अ गिवन टेम्परेचर. हांगा 100 दिला, सो 100क आमी कितें एड करतली? 273 एड करतली. सो वी आर गेटिंग answer as 373 K. Okay, my dear students. So moving to the next topic, that is latent heat of vaporization. When I say the term vapors, so vapor terms is mostly we are using for the which state of matter? खंय दिसतलें आमकां? Solid, liquid or gas? Yes, you will observe these vapors in the liquid state. The amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of liquid into gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. Now what is the difference between latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization? Both the definitions are same. Okay, so both the definitions are same. Only what we have to do, first definition कितें बरयलां आमी? लिक्विड आसा ताचे जाग्याचेर लिक्विड इंटू गॅस आसा थंय कितें आशिल्लें? सॉलीड इंटू लिक्विड बरयल्लें. इतलोच डिफरन्स. बाकी सगळें मागीर परत सेम. एट एटमॉस्फेरीक प्रेशर एट इट्स थंय मेल्टिंग पॉयंट बरयल्लें. हांगा आमी वी आर सपोज टू रायट बॉयलिंग पॉयंट. सो वी आर गेटिंग लेटंट हीट ऑफ वेपोरायझेशन. So my dear students, you can see one figure over here. Here one beaker is kept and below that you can just burn a burner and you will see the water starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, the temperature in the thermometer will be raised. Okay, my dear students. So, तो up to the red mark खंय पर्यंत वता तो पळोवपाचो. जाल्यार बॉयलिंगाक तुमकां दिसतलें तो 100 डिग्रीसाचेर वचून रेड मार्क तुमकां पावतलो. म्हणजे ते उदकाचो टेम्परेचर कितलो जालो? 100 डिग्रीज. Okay, now we are looking at the figure. Just this is very important. Effects of temperature on molecular motion. What happens if you heat any substance? What happens if you cool any substance? What are the changes in the particles of the matter? Now solid. Okay, solid कशें आसता तुमकां सांगिल्लें हांवें, कॉम्पॅक्टली पॅक्ड आसता. ओके, पार्टिकल्स आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू इच अदर. जेन्ना तुमी तांकां गरम करतले, वॉट हॅज हॅपन? जस्ट सी इन द रायट हँड सायड द पार्टिकल्स स्टार्ट्स मुवींग फ्रॉम देर प्लेस. नाव जस्ट सी इन द लिक्विड्स. लिक्विडान कशे पार्टिकल्स असता, दे आर स्कॅटर्ड, दे आर नॉट क्लोजली पॅक्ड बट दे आर स्कॅटर्ड. When you just boil the water, boil the liquid, they just start moving here and there. All the particles of matter of the liquid, they are starting moving away from each other. Now coming to the next important topic, that is sublimation. This is the most favorite question. Mostly it is asked for the first formative or in the first semester first summatives. So what is sublimation? This is very easy sublimation process. This process you can see at your home. जर तुम्ही देवाच्या फुड्यान गेले जाल्यार तुमकां कापूर दिश्टी पडटलो. इंग्लिशीन त्या कापराक आमी कितें म्हणटली? कॅम्फर. ओके, कॅम्फर जर तुम्ही जर तसो दवरलो डबेन विदाउट यूज, इफ यू जस्ट एक्सपोज इट टू द एअर, धापणे काडून जर दवरले, आफ्टर 10 days or 12 days, you might not be able to see that camphor in that container. कितें जातलो तो सगळो, तो कॅम्फर जो आसता कापूर, तो डायरेक्ट इवॅपोरेट जातलो. और यू कॅन बर्न दॅट कॅम्फर. जेन्ना तुमी आरती करता पळय, लास्ट देवाची आमी दुपारती करता पळय, तेन्ना तो कॅम्फर दवरलो, यू बर्न इट, यू वील ऑब्जर्व दॅट कॅम्फर गोज डायरेक्टली इन टू द गॅशियस स्टेट. ताजें लिक्वीड जायना. पूण आनी खंयचेंय जर तुमी सॉलीड घेतले जाल्यार ताजें पयलीं लिक्वीड जातलें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जर तुमी आयस घेतलो फ्रिजांतलो आनी भायर दवरलो, ताजो पयलीं उदक जाता आनी मागीर बॉयल करतकर ताजें वेपर जाता. बट इन दीस केस कॅम्फर जो आसा म्हणजे कापूर, तो जर आमी पेटयलो, ताका उजो लायलो जाल्यार कितें जाता, ताजें डायरेक्ट वेपर्स जाता. इट डज नॉट गो टू द लिक्वीड स्टेट. ताकाच आमी सब्लिमेशन अशें म्हणटले. सो नाव अनादर एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम युअर हावस इज द नेफ्थालीन बॉल्स, जे आमी कपड्यांक बी जल्ले बी येवपा जायना म्हणून घालतात पळय, आनी कोंकणीन ताका आमी डांबराच्यो गुळयो म्हणटा. सो दोज आर नेफ्थालीन बॉल्स. Now, exactly going to the definition of the sublimation, you are supposed to remember this definition. The change of state directly from solid to gas or from gas to solid is called as sublimation. So, they are not going through the liquid state. So, solid camphor or ammonium chloride are the examples. The naphthalene balls are also the examples. So, students, here you are able to see one diagram. This activity you all are going to perform in the laboratory once you come to the school. So here what you can see, there is a burner lighted, there is a china dish. In the china dish we are putting ammonium chloride. Okay, once you heat the ammonium chloride, what will happen is it won't go to the liquid state. ते मेल्ट जावचे ना, ताजे डायरेक्ट कितें जातले, गॅस जातले. सो गॅस जाले म्हणजे वेपर्स भायर येतल्यो. सो अमोनियम क्लोरायड वेपर्स यू कॅन जस्ट सी coming out of the ammonium chloride. So when ammonium chloride is solid, the gas touches the cold surface of the funnel, ताजे परत सॉलिडिफाय जावपा लागता. कारण तुमकां सांगलां हांवें, वेपर्स जेन्ना कुलींग केल्यो की परत सॉलिडिफाय जाता. And here it's the cotton we have put so that we can just see the vapors inside the funnel. So this was the experiment in which you can see the sublimation.